Hey, thank you so much for allowing me to guide you through this simple 10-minute meditation. This one's perfect for all levels of experience. So whether you're new to this or whether you're a regular meditator, you'll find this 10-minute session simple to follow and a great way to relax and unwind for both your body and your mind. So let's get started. Find a comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down. Whatever's comfortable for you right now is perfect. And then, to begin, take a nice deep breath in through your nose, and then slowly breathe out through your mouth. Let's try that a few times. Breathe in deeply, and breathe out slowly and gently. Begin to make your exhales longer than your inhales. When you next breathe out, relax your shoulders. When you next breathe out, relax your jaw. Take one more deep breath in and hold that breath for a moment. Then breathe out long and slow. Good. Now just breathe normally. No need to control it in any way. And how are you feeling today? Maybe there's a lot going on in your body right now. Sensations and feelings of comfort or of discomfort. We're going to take a little time to check in with the body. Start by bringing your attention to your feet. Do your feet feel warm or cool? Do they feel light or heavy? What sensations can you feel in your feet, comfortable or uncomfortable? Or maybe you don't feel anything in particular, and that's okay too. Just trying to put your attention there is perfect right now. And if you can feel something, just notice whatever you find. And as you breathe in and as you breathe out, simply allow whatever you find just to be there. Now bring your attention up to your legs. Do you notice any sensations there? Any strong sensations? Any subtle sensations? Pass your attention through your legs. Notice whatever you find. And as you breathe in and as you breathe out, simply allow whatever you find just to be there. Then slowly shift your attention up to your stomach and to your lower back. Do you notice any sensations there? Any strong sensations? Any subtle sensations? Notice whatever you find. And as you breathe in and as you breathe out, simply allow whatever you find just to be there. Now bring your attention to your back and to your shoulders. Do you notice any sensations there? Simply allow whatever you find just to be there. all is well. Nothing to do but notice and breathe. Now notice your neck, your jaw, and your head. You don't need to adjust or change anything. Just observe. What do you feel there? And as you breathe in and as you breathe out, just allow whatever you find just to be there. Good. And now take a little step back from yourself and just notice your whole body, your whole self sitting or lying here. Notice yourself and simply breathe and relax and let everything be just the way it is. And maybe as we do this, there's a lot going on in your mind. Maybe your brain is really braining right now, with all sorts of thoughts and ideas whizzing around. And that's okay. That's perfectly normal. So for the next part of this meditation, simply keep your attention on your breathing, on your natural breath. Just notice when you're breathing in, and notice when you're breathing out. Putting a hand on your belly can make this easier. Or maybe you can feel the breath flowing in and out of your nose. Tune into it as best you can. And as you do this, you might notice thoughts popping into your head. Things you need to do, random ideas, memories, or even judgments. But instead of getting all wrapped up in these thoughts, we begin to let them pass on by. And each time, bring your attention gently back to your breath. And as we do this again and again, allowing thoughts to come and go, and just bringing our attention back to the breath, you may find that your mind naturally quietens down just a little bit. But for now, wherever you are and whatever you're feeling, it's exactly where you need to be. Just taking this time to pause and connect with yourself is perfect. And now if you're feeling a little more peace and a little more calm, now's the perfect time to choose one of these 2 10-minute meditations to really begin to raise your frequency. Try this gratitude meditation, or use these powerful I am affirmations. Thank you for allowing me to guide you in this 10-minute meditation. I'm sending you peace, I'm sending you love, and I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.